Hello everyone, I am Ashok Kumar giving you some solutions of an extraordinary feat. Some questions were left. That the question number D, think and answer. Think the question and answer. Think and answer. Question first is, in a spite of an injured back, Jesse Owens was able to achieve a world record that lasted for 25 years before it was beaten. What does this tell us about the athlete and his dedication towards the sport? The answer is, in spite of having an injured back, Jesse achieved world record that lasted for 25 years. This tells us about this deep passion for athletics. His stony determination and dedication leads him towards his success. While he was studying in junior high school, he had to work part-time to fulfill the requirement the family. His hard work and stony determination made his success in achieving his extraordinary performance. Thus, we can say that he was a man of strong willpower. And the next question is, how do you think Charles Riley was a great support for Owens? Answer: Charles Riley was a great support for Owens because Charles Riley allowed Jesse to practice early in the morning. That time Jesse family condition was not good, and he had to work part-time jobs in his free time with the support of his school coach Charles. His coach allowed him due to watching in him extraordinary talent and his deep passion towards athletics. Next question is, though Jesse Owens was the youngest of the 7 children of a poor African American tenant farmer from rural America, he became a world-renowned athlete. Comment on this statement with references from the context. The answer of this question is, though Jesse Owens was the youngest of the 7 children of a poor African American tenant farmer from rural America, he became a world-renowned athlete because of his dreams to do something extraordinary in life. His deep passion and a strong determination brought his dreams come into reality. His achievement also expresses his self-discipline and effort. As we know, he had to face a lot of hurdles during the time of practice, but he didn't lose his faith and lead continuously, leaving all the hurdles behind. So everyone should take a lesson from Owen's life. Now here some phrases are given in the book. Question number C, write the meanings of these phrasal verbs. Warm up, meaning is to prepare, do an activity or support by practicing gently. Next is cool down, to make someone less angry. Join in, to do an activity with people who are already doing it. Give up, stop doing something that you do regularly. Drop out, leaving something before end. Knock someone out, hit someone so they cannot breathe easily. And last one is work out, solve a problem by doing calculation. These are the meaning of the phrases, and here also given in page number 6. Underline the phrases in each of these sentences and state their kinds. Here sentences are given, and you have to underline the phrases. Did you enjoy reading this book? Enjoy reading. Adverbial phrase, the boy in the blue shirt is my brother. In the blue shirt, prepositional phrase. looked after, verbal phrase. To the market, prepositional phrase. With all his might, prepositional phrase. Down the street, prepositional phrase. The story of his, noun phrase. A delicious chocolate cake, adjective phrase. House belongs to the mayor, noun phrase. And the old man, noun phrase. Here some question. Use the picture clues and unscramble the Olympic events. Here the jumbled letters are given. First one is tennis, second one is badminton, third one is archery, fourth one is hockey, fifth one is golf, sixth one is volleyball, seventh one is boxing, and eighth one is swimming. Here it is given, match the words with their meanings. Here words are given, here meanings are given, we have to match them. Equestrian, equestrian is related to riding horses. Show jumping, show jumping is a sport in which a horse and the rider jump over obstacles. Third is pentathlon. It is an event that combines competitions in 5 different sports. Triathlon, it is an event that combines competitions in three different sports. And fencing, it is the sport of fighting with long thin swords. These are the matching of this question, and all the questions of these chapters are over. So now you write them in your notebook. I will send all these questions and answer in the PDF. Now thank you so much.